Hello, training with Kyle, video number 2. Um, I'm super basic, starting from the bottom and the worst shape you can be in. um, and yeah, so it's just can't expect too much. Yesterday I went on a big ride, like 85 miles, the first time I went on such a big ride in so long. So today, I was physically shot. I could have slept all day if I wanted to. Last night, I didn't really sleep much at all. I mean, I did get sleep. I don't know how much, but it took me forever to get to sleep because I got really bad asthma. I'm gonna need to go in as soon as I can next week on the weekday. Go and sign up for whatever kind of health insurance I can get, so I can get back on those Advairs. You can't just buy Advair at $650 because yeah, it's debilitating. Yeah, so I got up, but I did get up kind of late, like 10:30, and had to meet my mom at 1:30. We were gonna go see the Avengers Endgame with my mom and my brother, and so we went. This is supposed to be just about training. So yeah, so I got up and I ran. So let's show you here what I did. So I ran. Oh, whoops! I have to. Oh, whoops! Why is there no? Okay, here we are. Somehow the computer went dark. Okay, let's make that go away. So I ran 4.85 miles, and it took me an hour. I was averaging 12:31 a mile, and there's the course I did. I ran up to the local track that's just a couple miles away, and ran around the track a few times, and then came back and got to my mom's house by 1:30. So yeah, I'm running at like 11. My fastest mile was 11:29. So and that's the fastest I could run. Like that's my full blown running pace. So yeah, it was super freaky to not be able to run. My legs basically don't move, and I can't bound. I'm just like this. My legs. So yeah, I'm super motivated. If I want to be a triathlete, the sports that are the easiest for me to pick up as a totally basic is swimming and riding. I could swim just fine and ride just fine because it's not joints, I guess. But running is just is problematic. So yeah, I stretched a little bit over at my mom's house. We saw the movie, and then I did this light treatment, and it made me feel much better. So it put me to sleep. So I think stretching is just as important as any other kind of a sport. I'm gonna stretch like 3 hours a day, I think, and but as far as resting, I'm not really into resting. Even if it makes it so that I don't fully recover, it's just a mental thing. I don't. I just want to go for it. I'll explain really quickly psychology of training for me. Like in a visual, it's kind of like there's if you can imagine a flat surface with the ball on the top, and on the left, on the like one side is just work, like my website, and then the other side would be exercising. I can't have it. There's no groove in the middle to just make it balanced. So the ball is gonna just go to one side and stay there. And so I need to have the ball over with my priority over with the training, because I'm naturally going to work on my website anyway. So that'll bring it back to balance, because I'll just do the works, on the work site whenever I can. But if I have the ball over here where it's all motivated priority of the website, I'm not going to do any training at all. I know that from my life. So yeah, as long as all I think about in my obsessive mind is training, I'm there, and I'm ready to feel good. I'll probably look healthier and healthier as the time goes on. So anyways, tomorrow I want to try and get up early, try to sleep tonight, get up early, start swimming, and then go running, do the ones that are the hardest. Okay, so peace out. Talk to you tomorrow.